Siya din yung kagabi, di ba?
Gabi sa, kagabi o kanina? Kanina lang?
Ah, kanina ba?
Gabi. Yung sa,
Oo, siya yung payong.
oo, bayang sa The Cave. Papakayan?
Baby, I should know better. Should keep it all together, but I won't. Hanging on to it better. You're telling me forever. I lose it, yeah, I lose my mind. Falling for it every time. Drowning the dead.
Do the cheese pull, Dani.
Kita ba dyan?
Yeah.
Just tell me that I'll hold you in my arms again. Give me your love.
Pang jungle ta.
Yes, thank you. Yan na yung shirt na.
This one?
No, how much? How
One
much?
magnet. Model 3 I give for you 350. How much you want?
Ayoko na, uwi na tayo.
100.
Uy, gusto ko to. 150.
110. No? 120.
We'll get 3 pieces.
Yes, how much one?
120. 130. 130.
Ginugulat eh. 130.
150. Last price, 150. We'll get 3. We'll get 3. 150. No, this one.
Yes. Quality in the
How much lowest price? Low.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. This one. Not that. Not this one. This one.
Magkano ang 150?
Oh, this one. Magkano yung 500?
Ay, maganda yun.
How much is this?
50. Ay, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam. Dito naman na tayo titira eh.
Ay, bawal.
Ang ganda ng vase. Ang ganda. Ayoko na dito.
Na tayo sundan. Parang ngayon talaga yung last night. Parang cute naman siya.
Para sa crop top,
Yes.
570. Yun yung tawag nila.
Ulu Love Market.
Wala, nakakatakot mo naman dito eh.
If we get 3.
3? Which one?
This one.
What style?
For example, this one.
This one?
Lowest price.
300.
Lowest.
300 for 3.
Please.
Please.
Please. We're begging you.
I'll buy more.
Ikaw ganun ako tumawad. Please. 400. Please, I'm begging you.
Please, 500.
400. Hindi na nagmakaawa. Nakakatakot naman dito. Ayun na naman. Oh.
Looking, yeah, okay.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
How much? China,
How much?
300 for 3.
Huh? Huh?
300 for 3.
More. This one's good one. This one is worse.
It's better if it's
better than something like
400.
this. It's better than something like this. Look the material, you know? Material, look. This one's good.
Ayoko na dito, natatakot na ako.
Wala tayong pumasok sa dungeon.
Lahat lalaki nagbebento. Mas medyo itaas mo nga yan. Ah. Para tayo kukuyugin para sa ano eh.
Okay.
What the hell? Ang dami naman tete dito.
One.
Three.
Oh, 300 lang.
300 lang.
Suma talaga sila. Kaya pala tayo natawad, wala talaga tayong cash. Wala.
Ay!
392 lang. 392 lang.
S black. What do you like, this one or this one? This one. Yung tiger, yeah? S.
Ba't siya nanginginig?
You wanna sit?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Ice cream! It's vegan ice cream.
Yan na, the best naman daw eh. May ano yung walang coconut.
Sa akin yung ano eh. Mga gelato eh. Parang okay sa umpisa.
Ang ano kasi ng coconut taste lang. Ewan ko din, nung pagkagising ko, ginawa ko. Hindi ko rin, ngayon ko lang nakita. Ito po, hindi ko alam.
Nakakaakit nga pala lang.
Nakakit yung mga ano, 50%.
In her Gastos Dora era.
Ito pwede sa ano, sa outlet.
Kaya nga, hindi talaga. Hindi naubos pera ko.
Wait, oh my God. Thank you so much. Yes, Miss Syla. haba pa.
Ay, kaya pa.
Haba?
Got our food. Never not hungry.